Welcome to Holland Co Chartered Accountants, and thank you for coming in today. We're pleased to meet you, and we hope your visit will be both helpful and informative. Please feel free to help yourself to a coffee from the coffee machine and make yourself comfortable. Someone will be with you shortly. This meeting will be recorded. This recording is used for staff training purposes and to ensure we maintain a clear and accurate record of the meeting on file. To help us prepare properly and make best use of our time together, there is a form we ask you to complete. The questionnaire should be on the desk in front of you. We strongly encourage you to complete the top section of the questionnaire. This section requests key identification and contact information that we are required to obtain at the outset. In particular, we will require your details, unique taxpayer reference, national insurance number, and details of any recent correspondence you may have received from HMRC. If you complete at least part of this form, it will allow us to spend more time with you discussing your requirements. Any remaining sections of the questionnaire can be completed together during the interview, so please do not worry if you are unsure about any of the later questions. As part of our professional and legal obligations, we will also need certain documents and information from you. This includes photo identification, such as a passport or driving license, and a recent utility bill to confirm your address. If available, copies of previous tax returns, financial statements, and any other information you feel may be relevant will also be helpful. During the meeting, we will ask for an overview of your requirements. This allows us to understand your current position, your objectives, and how we can best support you going forward. Today's meeting includes an initial free period of up to 30 minutes. This time is intended to be sufficient to allow completion of the key forms and to obtain the necessary background information about you as a client. If additional time is required beyond the initial 30 minutes, we may be able to extend the meeting provided no other meetings have been arranged and we are able to do so.
After the free period expires, the chargeable time begins.
Following this meeting, a dedicated member of our team will be allocated to you as your main point of contact. This introductory video is not included within the free 30-minute period. If they are available today, they may come in briefly to say hello. All details discussed today, together with your documentation and requirements, will be passed directly to them, so there is no need to duplicate information. Our charges are transparent and will be clearly set out in our engagement letter, which we will ask you to review and sign before we proceed. It is important to understand that our pricing is affected by the quality and format of the information we receive. Where possible, all bookkeeping data and transaction records should be supplied in CSV format. If information is provided in other formats, such as PDFs, scanned documents, screenshots, or mixed files, it can take up to 5 times longer to analyze and process. In such cases, our costs may increase by a multiple of up to 5 to reflect the additional time involved. We also strongly recommend that each business operates a separate business bank account. This avoids the need to analyze and exclude personal transactions and significantly improves efficiency, accuracy, and cost control. Looking ahead, we would also like to explain Making Tax Digital, which is a major change being introduced by HMRC. For self-employed individuals and landlords, the current planned timetable is as follows. From the 6th of April 2026, Making Tax Digital for income tax will apply to those with qualifying income over £50,000 per year. From the 6th of April 2027, it will extend to those with qualifying income over £30,000 per year. HMRC has confirmed that Making Tax Digital will later apply to those with income over £20,000. The start date for this group will be 2028. Despite these delays, Making Tax Digital represents a permanent structural change to the UK tax system. The phased introduction reflects the cost, complexity, and operational challenges involved in implementing Making Tax Digital nationally, and the timetable has already been delayed several times. Our firm aims to be fully compliant at each stage of its introduction and actively prepares clients in advance to avoid disruption, rushed implementation, and unnecessary cost.
For clients, this will typically involve maintaining digital records throughout the year, using compatible software, and providing information on a more regular basis. We will guide you through what is required for your circumstances and support you with software and compliance.
We also prepare management accounts, cash flow forecasts, budgets, and financial health reviews to improve profitability and planning. We support cloud accounting systems, including cash flow, and provide system setup, training, optimization, and ongoing support. A key part of our work is proactive tax planning, including income tax, corporation tax, capital gains tax, inheritance tax, dividend planning, remuneration planning, and succession planning.
We also assist with international tax matters, business startups, company formations, company secretarial work, registered office services, HR and employment advice, insolvency matters, HMRC inquiries and investigations. In addition, we provide pensions advice, life assurance, tax-efficient investments, and business and personal finance support.
Beyond compliance, we offer ongoing business support, strategic advice, and professional networking. Our website, www.hollandandcompany.co.uk, contains full details of our services and additional guidance and updates. We actively encourage client feedback and welcome comments at any time. There will now be a few minutes to allow you to complete the initial section of the questionnaire, following which a member of our team will be with you shortly. If you complete at least part of this form, it will allow us to spend more time with you discussing your requirements. We look forward to meeting you and working with you.